Welcome to Nauyaca Falls, brothers. Beautiful. A little tricky to get here. Horseback, a little walk, some termite mounds, a couple of the bigger clients falling down. It's good stuff. And here's what the payoff is. Beautiful waterfall. Beautiful pond that it falls down in. That water is like 80 degrees. So nice. But we're gonna go down where we can do some cliff jumping at the falls down below because there's no place to jump up here. So